Jai Hind student, in this video we are going to discuss the marginal utility analysis and consumer equilibrium when two or more commodity are consumed. Consider a situation when consumer is buying commodity X and Y with his given income. How will he strike his equilibrium? Suppose a consumer want to purchase more than one commodity or many commodity with his given income. In order to keep our analysis simple, we assume that consumer want to purchase two commodity. The fundamental condition of consumer equilibrium is the principle of equimarginal utility. The law of equimarginal utility states that consumer get maximum satisfaction when the ratio of marginal utility of all commodity and their price is equal. In other words, we can say that the principle of equimarginal utility indicate that the consumer should incur expenditure on different commodities in such manner that the marginal utility of last rupees spent on each one of them is equal. It means that in case of any one commodity, say commodity X, the consumer strike his equilibrium when mu X upon Px is equal to mu M. Likewise, for commodity Y, the consumer will strike equilibrium when mu Y upon Py is equal to mu M. The relating equation 1 and 2 are the considered a situation when consumer buy both commodity X and Y, and we can state his equilibrium in the following equation, means mu X upon Px equal to mu Y upon Py is equal to mu M. The condition of consumer equilibrium are given below. First, mu x is equal upon ps is equal to mu y is equal upon py is equal to mu of a rupees spent on a goods, where mu x is equal to marginal utility of x, mu y is equal to marginal utility of y, px is price of x and py is the price of y. Second condition, law of diminishing marginal utility must be prevail, that is mu x must be diminished. Now let us see that what happen if above conditions are not satisfied. Suppose the ratio related to x commodity is greater than the ratio related to y commodity. It indicates that additional utility derived from spending last rupees on good x is more than the additional utility derived from spending the last rupees on good y. So the consumer would be like to transfer some expenditure from y to x. When the consumer buy more unit of x and the px remain the same, the per rupees pux will go down. On the other hand, buying a less ut of units of y will raise the per rupees of mu y. This process continue till the per rupees mu x become equal to per rupees of mu y. If mu x upon ps is less than mu y upon py, it indicates additional utility derived from spending last rupees on good x is less than the additional utility derived from spending last rupees on good y. The consumer would like to transfer his expenditure from good x to good y. When the consumer more units of goods y and py remain the same and the per rupees py will go down. On the other hand, buying the less unit of good x will raise the per rupees mu x. This process continue till rupees px become equal to per rupees mu y, that is mu x upon px is equal to mu y upon py. We know that in case of two commodity, consumer will be equilibrium when the ratio of marginal utility of to a price is regarded to both the commodities is equal. It means the consumer equilibrium following a condition should be fulfilled, that is mu x is upon ps is equal to mu y upon py. What will be reactions of consumer when this condition is not fulfilled? He increased the consumption of good X so that mu X keep on falling per law of diminishing marginal utility, or decrease the consumption of good Y so that mu Y keep on rising as per law of diminishing marginal utility. Thank you.